So what you're saying is that this costs £2.27. This has got bad news written all over it. So I don't even know what to call this microphone. Is it an LESHP or a LESHP? Should we just call it a LESHP just for the purpose of this review? Let's do that. What concerns me straight away is we've got karaoke on the front as well. I'm definitely not going to be singing in this microphone. The polar pattern is omnidirectional, which basically means that you can speak all around the microphone. It should pick the audio up. Right, so we get the stands, just very basic plastic stands. It's got the 3 legs on there. You can flip them out, they flip into one position and they go back like that, so you're a little bit limited on what you can do with the stand. Right, we've got the microphone itself, which we've got the power button on the front so we can turn it on or off. I was expecting that to click, but it doesn't, it just slides up and down. We've got a little splitter cable as well. To be honest, it don't look too bad for £2.27. Yeah, I'm not expecting it to perform very well, but let's see how we get on. How easy is it to get it in there? I don't even think it fits into the stand. Is there one way it goes in? Oh no, there we go. Yeah, so the microphone itself is made out of plastic. You've got this metal mesh on top as well. Right, okay, let's plug it in, let's see what happens. Right, so the microphone is hooked up now. I'm not really expecting very good results of this, but we'll give it a go. We'll do a few tests where we're quite a distance away from it. We'll do some close-up sounds as well. We'll rotate it, because it's being omnidirectional, it should pick up the audio from both sides of the microphone. I think the microphone is actually working, but the power's on, but there's no light on there. Okay, so we'll do a first test. We'll sit quite a distance away. I'll raise my voice, I'll lower my voice, and we'll just see what it picks up. So let's give that a go. Right, we are testing the microphone. I'm talking at a normal level now. And now I'm speaking quite high. And now we're speaking pretty quiet now. Let's see if that picks anything up. Okay, so from that test, everything was sort of the same level. Even though I kind of raised my voice, it still sounded as though I was talking normally. And then when I started speaking quietly, that seemed at the same level as when I was talking normal as well. So that's a bit weird. So we'll do another test now. I'll be really close to the microphone as well. I'll do the same as what I've done just. So I'll speak quite high, I'll speak pretty quiet as well. And we'll see what it picks up. So we're testing the microphone. We're pretty close to the microphone now, and I'm talking in a normal volume. But now I'm speaking quite loud. Let's see if there's any change there. And we'll start speaking quietly now, and we'll see if there's any difference. Right, we'll do a test now where we just rotate the microphone while we're talking as well. So we're talking into the microphone. We are rotating the microphone around whilst I'm talking. Hopefully it should pick everything up. And I'll also speak right to the top of the microphone. So listening to that back, it does what it says it's supposed to do. You can speak all around the microphone. The one thing I did notice there is that you could hear me moving the microphone stand around, so it's made me think of another test. Let's just try tapping the desk. Let's see if it picks up those vibration kind of sounds. So we're speaking to the microphone. I'm just going to be gently tapping my desk just to see if the microphone picks up any kind of noise. I'm also going to tap the bottom of the stand as well, and we'll see if that comes through on the microphone. Okay, so from that test you can hear me tapping the desk, which I thought you probably would hear that, but there's some major spikes. As soon as you stop tapping the actual stand of the microphone, that sends like a shockwave through the microphone itself. So what are we thinking about this microphone? To be honest, it actually performs better than kind of what I was expecting. I mean, for £2.27, it's very, very cheap. If you're somebody who's looking to upgrade your audio, I wouldn't recommend the microphone for that. I think you're probably looking down the route towards XLR microphones, Snowballs, Blue Yetis, Blue Ember microphones. If you're somebody who is just starting out and you need to record a few things, then it's not too bad. I imagine it's going to be pretty decent on Skype. It's obviously, having a microphone is better than no microphone. It is very, very cheaply built. I don't know where the company has actually made any money on this microphone if they can afford to sell it for £2.27. So another thing I'll do a very quick test. I will compare this microphone, this LESHP microphone, we'll compare it against an XLR microphone, which, to be honest, the XLR should blow it out the water. And we'll plug in the Snowball microphone as well, so you can get a bit of an idea between the three audios. So my Snowball is a USB microphone. I've got the XLR microphone. This is just a 3.5mm jack microphone. You should be able to tell the difference because obviously the XLR is more expensive, the Snowball is mid-range, and this is the cheaper one. So let's see if you can tell the difference between the three audios. This is the LESHP microphone. This is the cheapest of the three microphones. This is a recording using my XLR microphone. This is a test using the Blue Snowball microphone. Okay, so what's the overall verdict on this microphone? It's performed better than I imagined, to be honest. It's a bargain for what it is. This is okay. Like I say, it's not going to beat the XLR, it's not going to beat the Snowball microphone. It's not going to beat like your newer microphones, I wouldn't imagine, so your £20 upwards microphones. But for what it is, if you're somebody who's kind of just needs to do like the odd Skype call, it's not bad, it'll get you by. If you're looking at becoming some kind of big time streamer, then it's not what you want. If you're doing some video conferencing on a regular basis, I'd recommend getting something a little bit better than this. Don't spend £2.27 on a video conferencing microphone. But if you just need something to mess about with, just to communicate with friends, maybe the odd online game, something like that, then it's not bad. Like I say, it's better than what I thought it was going to be. I was expecting this to be so bad, to be honest. And I mean, it's not great. You can tell by the audio quality. You can hear some of the background noise, which you don't really want on your audio. You want to be as clear as you can get, which is what I think I kind of get with the XLR microphone. You get a little bit of background noise with the Snowball, and you get quite a lot of background noise with this. And my star rating for the LESHP 3.5mm jack microphone will be 5 stars out of 10. If you like the content that's been created on this channel, please hit the subscribe button. You'll find it in the bottom right of each of the videos.